Do you want to create AI stickers in WhatsApp? You can get AI-generated stickers on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create AI stickers in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Creating AI stickers in WhatsApp involves generating stickers using an artificial intelligence tool. These stickers are created based on textual descriptions, making them highly personalized and unique. To create or generate AI stickers in WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, open an individual or group chat where you want to send the AI-generated sticker. In the chat window, you will see the message input field at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the emoji or sticker icon in the message input field. This will display all the emojis available on WhatsApp. To create your own AI sticker from text, tap on the sticker icon. This will display all the recently used and downloaded stickers in WhatsApp. In the sticker screen that appears, you'll see a Create option. Tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Generate with AI. A text box will appear where you can describe what kind of sticker you want. Be specific and clear. Once you enter the text for the AI sticker, it will display different stickers based on your description. Choose the one that best represents what you described. Once you've tapped on a sticker, it will be sent directly in the chat conversation. By following these simple steps, you can create your own unique AI stickers and use them in your WhatsApp conversations.